Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll show you how to send a calendar invite using Gmail to keep your meetings and events organized. First, log into your Gmail account. Once logged in, click the Google Apps grid in the top right corner. Then select Calendar from the menu. Next, create a new event by clicking the +Create button in the top left corner, or click directly on a date or time slot in the calendar. Now, fill out the event details. Add a title for your meeting, set the date and time, and optionally include a location or a description with an agenda or preparation notes. If it's a virtual meeting, you can also add a Google Meet link. After that, use the Add Guests field to enter the email addresses of the people you want to invite. Once everything is set, click Save. When prompted, select Send to make sure all guests receive the invitation email with the event details. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.